What's up, guys? I want to make a quick video about how I patched my pool. I bought it from Walmart. It's an Inex, and it had two pin-sized holes, and I didn't have any patches, or they didn't have any at our local Walmart either. So I used Teflex corrosion protector tape. It's really heavy duty, and I wasn't sure if it was gonna work or not, but I tried it out, and you can see where I patched it there and I patched it there. Two pin-sized holes. I didn't even think it was gonna stick underwater, but it worked perfectly and it stopped the leaks. I'm not really sure how much this cost, because I got this from my father. I think they use this at work to tape up pipe and stuff like that, oil fill pipe. But I'm pretty sure it's helpful for a lot of things, and if you have it around, it'll stop a leak on a pool. Alright, thanks guys. Here's a quick update. As you can see, the leak is gone. I tried patching it up from the outside first, and I guess the pressure was pushing the water out still. But once I put the tape through the inside, it stuck good, and I guess the pressure of the water keeps it on there, but it does stick good to the liner. And as you can see, there's no more leak. Next day, I'll try to find it online and put a link to the tape under the description. I'm sure a patch will be better, but if you have this tape around, or if you want to have it, since you can use it for a lot more other stuff, it will work to patch up a pool. As you can see here, it is all dried up and no more leak there where it was leaking. So I would recommend patching it from the inside, and if you want it as well as from the outside, if you have access to the pinhole. And okay guys, there you go. It does work.